I'm Chris, and this is
Yeah.
And today we're gonna be bouncing balls and seeing which one goes the highest. Which one do you think's gonna win? Now we have Priya to bounce the ball. Hey Priya, can you do this? Okay, now go. Phew, that was high. That was a good one. Here. Okay, next up we have the tennis. Okay. Okay, can I have this? You can hold the tennis ball. Okay. You can hold both. Okay, now do this and drop again. Go. Wow, that didn't really go as high as this pink one over here. Okay, now we got this heavy. Okay, we can go with that one. Just pick that up. We didn't go with it yet. Okay. Okay, ready? Now drop. Wow. You checking how high it went. Okay, last but not least. Roll away. Okay, here. I told you it was heavy. Okay. Is it heavy? Ready? Go. Wow! It went 3 feet. I don't think so. Now I'm gonna drop the balls. Ready, Priya? Tell me where to go. Where to tell me? Say go. Wow! That was high. Here, you can hold that. Mama has that one. Okay, now after I drop it, say go. Where did you get that one? No! Okay, fine. You can hold this one. I'm gonna get this one. Ready? Say go. You're not doing it. What are you doing? You have to say go. Okay, since you're not saying go, I'm gonna say go. Yeah, okay? Okay. Ready, set, and here we go. Wow! Ow! You hit my foot! Goober. Okay, now we got this pink big bouncy ball. Let's go. Wow! 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 Hey, are you okay? Okay, now we got this pink small ball. Ready? Okay, here we go. Whoa! That was high, right? And we have one more. It was an apple. I was tricking you guys with the apple. How silly. Whoa, those balls bounce high. What did your guys' ball win? I wonder what we're gonna discover next time. Bye!